Okay, late night show, Wazobia things, and of course a baller, you know, but yeah. These kids now one day, you know, the real one will come out from school. That okay, don't ask them before, Abi. Who bring up the idea of kiss? Want to know the whole thing. Want know.
Why don't they use elbow?
Elbow to elbow or something, or bum to bum or something. Must be lip to lip. Why? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we get the second guest in the building. Another Delsu product, another theater art girl who they do in music things like this. This one, my men have read that she go perform before the whole show end. Ladies and gentlemen, we get Omesham in the building. Omesham, welcome. Hey. Now, Omesham, welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry to say, just like what kind of foreign wish, you understand, package foreign wish like this. But anyway, Omesham, how far now?
I did fine, no, Bolo. How you doing?
I bam. I all make brain. I do okay. I like the way they rub your hands.
Yes, now you know say with the soft.
Yeah, no, it's soft. My feel.
Just they feel them. Wow. Your own strong, Bolo.
No, they worry you now. You know, this hand with the massage things. They massage enough things.
You know, as they massage things, they go they strong. Now when things they massage them, they soft. You know now.
I don't sweat.
I bet no blush, no blush.
I don't sweat. I don't feel blush. For the thick skin, where you did so. Where blush you walk about from? Anyway, Alpha, you are welcome on top of the whole thing. Now, music for you, sharp, because now your performance, 9 people want to see like this. They can't wait for you to stand up and perform for them. But actually, based on the whole thing, go see the whole thing. Now, quickly, music for you. Starting, beginning, end. You know, do theater art. You know, enter into acting. Now, music you decide to do. Final. So what's up?
And music, what make I decide to do music? Be say, you know, being say I no go do acting, but now the first thing when be say be my first calling.
Okay.
Then once movie come, we go see act them. All of them join the theater package.
Okay.
So if we act, they go. If we do music, but now music be the main calling.
The main thing.
Acting if we come when money don't show, we come produce our own film.
Okay.
Because we don't be like theater gods. Our own to they produce film. No be to just go location, they read scripts, we be done.
So now to do our own.
To do our own film.
Okay.
If we call director to come help us run them.
So now they pay everybody. Now based on say money don't land first.
But they run the packaging with music money. So, but now music be the main calling, sharp.
Okay, now be the main calling first, but just on the total package for theater things. I feel like make I sing now. You understand?
I beg go sing.
May we sing one song. Which song if you say we go fit sing together? We just fit run scale.
When we fit run scale?
Yeah, 2 of us we just do some kind of things.
We want run scale.
You ready?
This place they hot, so
it's hot. No worry.
I'm not sure if I feel run scale.
You're not sure if you run scale?
No.
Do re mi fa sol la ti do. They don't know. You understand me now? I don't run. Yeah, you run your own.
You don't keep me finish. I want to start.
Yeah, just try to try like me.
Do re mi fa sol la. Man don't finish. You see the lost they go.
I want help you finish.
I don't finish.
Why you not finish?
You dey wish.
You know finish.
If I begin sing now, you go just dey. No let me talk.
My dear, you don't need to sing. You don't need to sing.
You don't need to sing already.
You don't need to sing already. My ear or they hear melody.
No. That one are just noise. Not just small thing.
Okay.
I don't want to throw you off balance.
Please don't throw me off.
Sing past you.
Not true. You know,
so we'll just package you.
Make I not go misbehave for the suit I wear and just fool my age. Finally, quickly, how many singles you don't get so far?
So far, I don't get like 3-4 singles, but now one I don't drop.
Okay.
And I did do another one when I go drop 2nd week of August.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
and I be the level way down ground now.
All right. But this one when I drop, I they promote and small they go.
So now we go feel now, be.
All
right. But if you want to jam me on top social media and every how do you say jam you?
For social media.
Make I tell them
Make I hand them the cocoa. For Twitter, now at official Omesham.
Okay.
Omesham, Omesham.
Okay.
Official before Omesham. For Instagram, na still official Omesham.
Okay.
Now the Facebook on can't change. Your Facebook na Mavis Larry.
Okay.
Now that one can't deal na here. They all meet me for social media.
They shall follow you for one of those ones. Official Omesham.
Yes, so.
So now don't hear, all right? Okay, so we'll go for this particular breaker. We come back and Mapis go tear down the everywhere for us, and then you enjoy the music and watch her perform.
I go catch you like Tita. Show you say you be baller. Oh, you perform for me, you're fine. When you moving, say I confirm. I send the ass where you come from. Say you confirm, girl, I know how it is. Me and you match up the place. Me and you to run for feel. Cause I have to make the grace. Girl, you know how it is. Me and you match up the place. Me and you to run for feel. Now I love to make the grace.
Oh, why is not finished? Why the song finish? I want rock.
Suffering now, Bolo.
Compose yourself. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And one more time, I appreciate Omesham. Beautiful. No, give me that church hug. Give me good hug.
Ooh.
Thank you. Okay, Omesham, thank you very much. You joined us on the show.
Thank you. You bring me here today.
Yes. And we say big thank you to Essence too. Thank you very much. You joined us on the show today, and we wish you the best of the best. From all of us for here, we go say good night to everybody for house. Jump on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us your own gist, and then from there we'll know every. Good night to all of you now. Oh yeah, easy. Play the music.
Cause the way you moving, say I confirm. All the guys and they ask where you come from. Say you confirm, girl, I know how it is. Me and you match up the place. Me and you to run for feel. Cause now your love they make me grace. Girl, you know how it is. Me and you match up the place. Me and you to run for feel.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.
As we make